Hey dear viewers, welcome back to Mr. Tech Fox. Now I'm going to guide you how you can turn on dark mode or light mode of YouTube from your PC Chrome browser actually. So this is pretty simple and very easier. You can either do it from a laptop, computer, PC, anything you have, and you need to have the Chrome browser actually because I'm doing it with the Chrome browser, or you can use any browser, but first of all you need to have a browser. Okay, so now I'm opening the browser from here, and make sure that you have typed the web address www.youtube.com. After typing this address, this interface will come, and then you need to click on this profile icon of you, and after clicking here you will see many options here, and then you need to click on this option appearance device theme, and then you can select the theme. If you select dark theme, the theme will be changed into dark, or if you change it to light, then the theme will be changed into light. So that's all about today's video. I think this video will help you a lot. Thank you for watching.